Palm plate, I wouldn't do it again. It was fairly priced for an Etsy seller. Like if this was from Keychron, I would like to see it be half the cost. Maybe I'll give Keychron like 20 bucks to mass produce it. And I also got this PE foam, which is super fair, like 15 bucks, you know, not bad. Pre-cut PE foam, quality is really good. Only one left and 17 people have it in their carts. Wow. Okay, so we have the LLAMA 55 gram tactiles, stem material palm, top housing nylon, bottom housing nylon. I want to try like a Holy Panda in comparison, and a Glorious. Hardly any lube on these. I mean, I see like a tiny little bit of oil, or not enough to matter that much. These have a little bit more lube on. It's probably super blown out with the exposure, but yeah, both of them barely have any lube on them. Hand lubed these frozen llamas. Oh yeah, these feel and sound a little bit closer to the Glorious Pandas, which the Glorious Pandas are pretty good. They're not bad. The Holy Pandas have a little bit stronger bump, but I think if you put like a medium coating of 205 on the stem, you'll get very close to the sound. But these do feel a little smoother than Holy Pandas too. So I like that. To you guys watching on YouTube, there will be links to the switches that I use in the description below, and a build list of all the stuff that I use on this Keychron Q3. And by now my review of the Q3 should be out as well, so link to that in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Click that floating button to subscribe to the channel, of course. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.